We're gonna go to truck like we did last class.
Yeah.
Right? But I just wanna express the information surrounding that. So, normally a lot of people step on the inside and then knee slice. That's a methodical entry. Methodical and dynamic, two different types of entries. Slow, methodically entering, or dynamic, which takes advantage of the chaos concept. The chaos concept is chaos creates opportunity. In that process of me exploding in with this chaotic situation, I'm controlling the chaos of the situation by how I land. So my first order of business is to fit into this small space under his arm. I want to fit in this small space, slide, and have my back against his lap and have him trapped in this triangle right here. So as I'm sitting here, we're moving, I slide it, and I'm here, and I step. One more time, going, slide, and step. Giving him my hip. His body is trapped on the opposite side. So if he tries to shrimp away, I have a frame here. Now, his movement is going to determine what I'm going to do next. He is never going to turn his back to me, so he's always going to be trying to shrimp out so he can fit a knee in and recover his guard. I'm not going to allow that. So with all this movement going, I'm going to end up going flat mode to flatten him back out and control him. In this process, I'm blocking his ability to move his hip towards me, so he's always going to try to shrimp away. And me understanding that gives me my fishnet. Now he can't go back onto his back. He's trapped. I put my elbow on the ground, very important. My knee is against his body, right here, his hip, just like so. I'm around. Now I'm going to step Achilles to Achilles, take out the fishnet, and then underjack with my armpit. And test the knee bar. If the knee bar doesn't work, it's okay, because now I can lace up my lockdown and roll in to the truck. This is the technique that we're working, the truck. The process of me getting it is the process, but this is the technique. One more time, nice flow, smooth, coming, we're going, playing, slide in, step, right here, I'm underneath, right here, he's moving, flat move, he turns, fishnet, collect, test the knee bar, not working, come up, find it, boom, here we go, now we're chilling, now it becomes this fight.